Well, I think as I've been campaigning, the first year is going to be building relationships and mending fences with the surrounding cities around us. Try to work with, as a group, with the administration that we have, with our chiefs, with our directors. You know, I plan on in the next few weeks sitting down and trying to meet with the directors we have to see if their plans are the same as my plans, and try to just always work together. That's got to be the goal of this city. It has not been that way for the longest time that we've not worked together. Everything will be, with me, will be together. And I think that's the only way this city can move forward.